Aloha everyone, my name's Tro Murphy and I've made several videos about Brown's gas and using Brown's gas for health, and one of them is for application to your ears. And I've used it for skin problems on my ears and for tinnitus or ringing of the ears. And I made these handy dandy Ear Muff Spot Applicator for that purpose. And so the gas comes through this hose and then comes out in each ear muff. And so you would just put it on your head and attach the hose to the gas output on the bubbler. And then you would apply the gas whatever time you deem necessary. I've received requests on how do you make these earmuffs. I'm going to show you today how I went about making earmuffs for Brown's gas spot applications to your ears. I have listed everything you need to make this in the description below, as well as links to where you can purchase all the items. There's also a list for all the tools you need to put it together in the description below. Parts needed in order to make the Ear Muff Spot Applicator is you'll need one pair of noise earmuffs. You'll need 2 1/4-inch through bulkhead hose barb fittings with nuts. You'll need 1 1/4-inch barb T connector. You'll need about 10 feet of 1/4-inch silicone tubing. And in order to glue everything together, you'll need JB Weld 50133 plastic bonder. The tools needed will be wire cutters, 3/8-inch drill bit, a drill, a punch, pair of pliers, scissors, a wood chopstick, and a small rectangle of clean cardboard. Step 1 is to remove the foam inserts from the earmuffs. Step 2 is to remove the earmuffs from the headband. In order to remove the earmuffs from the headband, you may need to use pliers to twist the tab on the earmuff until it is in line with the slot to release. In step 4, you use the punch to make a punch mark at the bottom center of each earmuff. Step 5 is use the punch mark in each earmuff to align the drill and drill a 3/8-inch hole. Step 6 is to drill a 3/8-inch hole in each earmuff. Step 7 is to make sure the bulkhead connector screws fit in the holes of each earmuff. Step 8 is to squeeze a small amount of plastic bonder on a clean cardboard rectangle and mix it with the chopstick. Step 9 is to use the chopstick to coat the threads of each bulkhead connector with the plastic bonder. Step 10 is to push each bulkhead connector through the hole in each earmuff, making sure that it is tight against the earmuff. Step 11, put plastic bonder on the screws of the bulkhead connector nut with the chopstick. Step 12, after applying the plastic bonder to the nut, screw the nut onto the bulkhead connector on the inside of each earmuff. Then allow the plastic bonder to dry overnight. Step 13. Use scissors to cut a 1-inch slice at the bottom of each big foam insert. Step 14. Place the small foam insert and the big foam insert back in each earmuff. As you place the big foam insert back in the earmuff, make sure that the bulkhead connector is sticking through the cut in the large foam insert. Step 16. Use pliers to twist the tab on each earmuff, sticking through the slot on the headband to connect the earmuff to the headband. Step 17. Cut 2 sections of 14 inches each of silicone hose with scissors or wire cutters. Step 18. Connect each hose to one side of the YT connector. Step 19. Connect the other end of each hose to each earmuff bulkhead connector. Step 20. cut a 4-foot to 6-foot section of silicone hose to connect the bottom leg of the YT connector. Now you are finished. You can use the Ear Muff Spot Applicator by attaching the hose on the bottom of the T connector to your gas output. In a future video, I hope to show you how I made my own Brown's gas generator. Thank you for watching my video. Aloha, everyone.